Bonjour and welcome to the second video of this series, Building a Mars Rover. Today I'm gonna talk about the build process of the drive shaft for the wheels. I spent a lot of time designing the mechanical parts of the wheel. As you can see here, it's almost complete. So if I remove the canvas, you can see half of the design. All this side will be duplicated and mirrored on the other side. In the middle, I decided to place the servo motor, and a rod will be placed on each side to turn the wheels together for all the three set of wheels. I have a motor here, one motor per wheel. I'm gonna have a total of 6 motors. I draw all the suspension and the drive shaft in Fusion 360. Everything is almost ready to be printed. So I'm gonna show you the first part that I designed, that I intend to print, the center part here, all the drive shaft parts. So let me remove a couple of objects to see it clearly. I also prepared the simulation to see if all the parts will move correctly one with the others. So as you can see here, if I activate the rotation, it's gonna turn like this. The center block between the parts is not totally perfect, but it's good enough for me. But this is the first part that I printed with the center cube. As you can see here, the small cube and the first part. This is the second part of it. This one will go through the wheel. Let's take a look. You can see here the central block. The pins that go through are not going through the center, and it's designed like that because I didn't have screws short enough. I wanted to have pins that goes through, and that's why I designed it like that. Let's see the completed parts together. I confirm that there is enough torque to turn the wheel. Don't forget that I'm gonna have 6 of these motors, so it's gonna be 1/6 of the strength needed to move the rover. In fact, seeing these parts in action confirms many things. First, there is enough torque to turn one wheel, and second, the flexibility is perfect. Everything is sized correctly, fits perfectly together, so I know that my design is perfect. The only thing is this yellow part here. As you saw in the video, the finish of this part is not good enough. It's a little bit rough, so I had to reprint it to see if I can fit it in the wheel. And this is the part that have not printed correctly. It's really rough, and I cannot even put it inside the ball bearing. And it doesn't fit in the wheel, so I had to print another part. This is only a sample of it to confirm that the print is perfect, and I'll be able to put it in the wheel once the wheel is printed. This is a prototype, and the hole in the center is a little bit too small, so the finished version will have a little bit bigger hole to allow the part to fit perfectly. But at least now I know that the part is perfectly smooth and it's gonna fit inside the hole correctly. Now the important part is the strength. The wheel is supposed to fit on this part, this plastic part, but to make it stronger, I will fit a screw inside this hole. It's going to go through this plastic part up to this part here. So the inside of this plastic part here should be able to support the screw and the weight of the rover. So that's my idea. I hope it's gonna work. Talking about strength, the plastic part just here that will support the whole weight of the vehicle is a little bit too small, so I have to redesign it to make it stronger. So all this part here, which is a little bit too round, will be redesigned. So this concludes the video for today. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Click on the small bell to be notified when I will post a new video. Until then, thank you and bye!